Alright, y'all, so look.
You started it?
We lit, right?
Dang, I look so bright.
Got our Chipotle
Because of
bowls.
this light.
Sheesh.
I look so bright.
Like, look.
Can we turn the ring light on? Do you think that'll be better? The quality of it? This is good.
See?
Very flavorful.
This a bowl. I don't know what Chipotle be giving us.
This right here. Ooh. And it's spicy.
It's definitely spicy.
Probably that paprika we use. Paprika be having it spicy.
It's hitting.
Then on top of the seasonings that we put in here.
So what y'all get on y'all bowls? Like, what do y'all like on your guy? Because I usually don't do the beans, but
How are the beans in there? How you feel about them?
they good. I mean, I ain't put a whole lot in there, so like this scoop is gonna be with pinto beans. I mean black beans.
You just don't like pinto bean type of. You don't really like no beans.
I love beans, just not kidney, black, or pinto. But I will say, black and pinto not like terrible, but like if somebody got me some like a bowl or something and they put black beans, I'll still eat it. But if I go get it myself, I want to just put it in there.
Okay, that makes sense. So what beans do you like then?
Greens, green,
Oh yeah, green beans. Okay.
green beans, string beans, Brussels sprouts, broccoli.
Those aren't beans.
I was just naming vegetables. But I like all beans except for pinto, black, and kidney. Like I hate kidney beans. Black and pinto is acceptable, but
Why? What's wrong? What kidney
now
beans?
kidney beans is trifling.
I haven't even seen kidney beans or nothing.
Oh, black eyed peas nasty too.
What? What about lima beans?
Wait, llama?
Lima beans.
Nah, llama beans nasty too, because that's kind of like pinto.
They are far from pinto.
All those is bad, but you know, green, string, all them type of beans. Especially get the greens with the ham and the proper seasoning. All right. Like, see, I ain't gonna lie, this is like a Chipotle bowl, but like, this is more of a hotheads bowl. Like, I don't know who all got hotheads, but it's basically like Chipotle, but like a ghetto version. It's like the Popeyes of Chick-fil-A, you feel me? Like ghetto side. But hotheads do hit, and they bowls be looking sloppy like these. I swear to God.
Do they mix it all together for you or something?
They just not as neat as Chipotle. Like, even like our corn look just like them.
Yeah.
And our bowls, like they got this Chipotle ranch you can put on top, just like how we just basically did.
Oh wow. This is really good.
This is about to put us down. Oh my God.
And it's already 11 o'clock? No, it's 11 o'clock right now. Well, 10:56.
It's 11 o'clock.
Oh my gosh, tomorrow we have to be up early.
Oh, we do.
Good thing I didn't forget. I definitely almost forgot.
What time?
9 o'clock.
So I went like about 7:30.
Yeah.
7:30 a.m.
Probably, dang. I don't know.
Amira got an appointment. You know what I'm saying?
Her 2-month appointment.
They about to give her shots. Oh Lord.
Yo, the last one I tried so hard not to cry. Now they're gonna give my baby 2 shots. And she has to get like a little oral medicine.
And when she cries, she cries. Like she be screaming.
I be feeling so bad for my little baby. Like she really, I be feeling so bad for her. I'm like, why are you crying this hard? I'm sorry. That's just how she cries.
Woo. I'm so lit.
How's your pull?
This little head is just making me full.
Me too.
Mm.
That's why I was so hungry. Like, even though I mixed it, my bowl still kind of looks like meat.
Mm. I know we ain't talking much, but if you know, you know.
This is good. And we got gold peak tea.
Sweet.
Gotta be sweet. Where was you about to go? I'll get some more tea.
I love it.
It's like you were like about to get up and then like you like hesitated. You're like, wait, I'm on camera. Is that what you're thinking or no?
I don't know what I was thinking. I'm pissed. You gotta be more. I'm gonna watch the Fosters. You know, he pissed me off.